Welcome to my channel. I'm going to shuffle cards for Aquarius. What can happen in Aquarius life in 2025? What we can expect? Let's see. Cards tell us about Aquarius life. What can happen in Aquarius life in 2025? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, let's start to read the cards. First card we have is strength. So Aquarius, your strength will be increasing in these days. In this year in 2025, your strength, your braveness will be more active. You will be more active. You will have more power to do to achieve anything you want, and it yes, a new version of you will come out, and that is very great. Then we have king of wands. So you might be keeping the eye on on something, on some project, and maybe you are looking for something, you are waiting for something, and you want to connect with someone, you want to be with someone, and who is not showing you any kind of gesture, but you are keep waiting. And then we have Wheel of Fortune, and it is very good card. Time is changing for you, things are getting better for you, and there is a good time coming definitely. And yes, things are getting better, things are balanced, things are more easy for you to do, and things are will be much better than before. And then we have Ten of Swords. You are coming out from that phase uh, which were where you were hurt, where you were injured, where you were uh, not uh, were not feeling well, whether it was your illness, it was a it was a heartbroken situation, whatever it was, but you are coming out from that situation. A reality is coming out, maybe a real person from you is coming out, and you will see the real picture of some people around you, which will clarify your mind and which will realize the importance of your own self. Then we have Ace of Cups. So it is very good card. You may be get married, maybe you will have some kind of benefit in your love life, in your work area, in your financial area. So, and the sun. So you, if you are married and want to get pregnant, so you can get good news about it. Some kind of definitely good news is coming in bulk for you. That is very good. Your work area will be so good. 100% you working uh, relationship, your working partner, your colleagues will be very supportive. Yes, and things will be easy for you, things will be soft for you, especially in your work area. Then we have the Hierophant. Again, we have the same card. uh, you will be more uh, you will be transformed actually. You will be transformed. A new version, as I told you, a new version will come out from you, and you will be transformed, you will be spiritual, and you will be more active, and you will be positive, you will be active. A new beginning is there for you. It can be a work related, it can be, you can be spiritual, you can start a new job, you are moving on, and moving on with a new with the new enthusiasm. Then we have a Three of Swords. It clarifies this Nine of Pentacles. Let's clarify it. uh okay. Hmm. If you are heartbroken, if you already went through some kind of heartbroken situation, so you a change will come in you, and you will get a support of someone, maybe a new person, maybe a friend, but some kind of support is there. If you do not have support right now, but uh, a support is coming. It can be love support, it can be friend support, but there is some kind of support is coming. And actually I think that support will come out from you, from you inside. uh, you will realizing something, and this change will come from you. So you will have a new phase of life, you will have a new personality of you. Then we have two of cups. See, we have three major arcanas: two of cups, ace of cups, and these ones. So 99% Aquariuses are going to marry, mostly are going to married, and going to confess love. So um, you might be get married, or if you are looking for a person, so you may get a good relation, a good person. Yes, and you will have a desire to meet someone who is very loving and caring for you. If you are looking for someone, so you may meet someone. If you have a desire, uh, yes, maybe you are following someone, you like someone. And then we have two of wands. Travel is 100% there. Then we have ace, five of wands. What does five of wands, five of cups, sorry, noise. Okay. uh, you actually your last card is telling me that some kind of noise is there. Noise in that sense that some people who left behind and who is not in with you, or maybe not in touch with you, but you are carrying burden, you are carrying that sounds in your mind, which keeps you hurt, which keeps you which keeps you disturbed. Some kind of disturbance is there. Okay, now I will get two cards for to see a clear picture of for this year. One and two. See, but I got two of wands, I got three of wands, I got ace of cups, and I got 10 of cups, I got two of cups. All these cups, all these wands, and all these good cards are telling me that you are planning something big, something which will make you so much happy. It is more concerned with your marriage, with another relation, a new beginning of your life, and definitely. And someone, if you are not apart from relationship and some apart from relationship and marriage, maybe you are going to start some kind of work and you are going to successful in that. But Aquarius, I'm 100% sure that you are going to bless in this year. So many happiness, so many things are coming, because I got 90%. I got a very positive and very positive cards. So I'm so happy to read these cards. Okay, now let's see the angel message for you. 77 number is important. You are brave. So you have to brave this year. It is time to move on from the old uh, pattern, habits, and fears. Now is the time to walk in the direction of your biggest desire and ambition. Now is the time is the time to be bold and brave, because you are brave. And 77 number is very important for you.